In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix keyboard missing in Device Manager in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. The moment you click on it, in a few moments, you would be able to open the Device Manager window itself, where here you need to expand it first. Okay, and there you'd be able to see a list of the options. So in my case, I have seen my keyboards here, but in your case, if this keyboards is missing in your device manager, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the this left corner. Okay, top left corner, you can see their action. Go with scan for hardware changes. Okay, once done, you need to close this window and restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution. So before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second solution that you can do is that here at the button search bar, please type for control panel or panel alone. So go with panel alone and then you wait until you'll be able to see a best match, which is the control panel system before we continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side. There you can see open. Click on that one. The moment you've clicked on it, in a few moments, you would be able to open the control panel window. Okay, so we just have to wait until it would be ready first. Once ready, you need to change the view like this. So by that, go with view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to locate for programs and features, which is in my case, that is being placed here at the first column next to mail. Click on that. The moment you click on it, you will be able to see these programs that are being installed here or that are present in your Windows where you can uninstall or change a program. So by that, you need to navigate to the left pane. There you can see turn Windows features on or off. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to bring up this small window called Windows features. So here you need to proceed with .NET Framework 3.5, which includes the .NET 2.0 or the 2.0 and 3.0. So click on this add icon here, and if you're in the case if this two are being checked or enabled, meaning it is being checked here, you need to uncheck it. And once you've unchecked it, okay, click on the, in my case, it has already been unchecked. Go with this OK button. And then once you click on it, wait until the process would be finished. And once completed, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.